In this video, I'm going to show you how to change mouse pointer color in Windows 11. So first of all, on your laptop, just click on the start icon and click on settings icon here. And after that, it's open another settings menu and you need to select the personalizations here. And as you can see, here is multiple options showing here. You need to select theme and it's open another window. You need to select mouse cursor and it's open another option here, and currently selected this white mouse pointer. You can select the black one or this inverted one, or you can custom options. And after that, as you can see, here's the recommended color open and it's automatically selected that yellow color, or you can change here purple and lime, as you can see here. And you can add another color from here just like that, and it will change as you can see. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.